Hi, I'm Luke Bierman from Mechanical Seal Engineering and the face of mechanical seals in Australia. A lot of people ask me for guidance when installing mechanical seals, so I thought today I'd lay out a few of the considerations that I think are most important. The first thing to consider is the type of mechanical seal and the driving mechanism for the rotary component of the mechanical seal. If you look at our entry-level Type 21 rubber bellow style seal, the drive mechanism is the rubber bellow itself. So on installation, we want to use a lubricant that's going to dissolve or dry after installation. We use a P80 rubber lubricant, but water with a dash of detergent will also do the trick. If oil or grease is used, there's a high risk of the shaft spinning inside the bellow, causing a seal failure. This principle applies to all rubber bellow style seals, cup mount stationaries and O-ring mount stationaries. If the seal is positively driven by grub screws, pins or a clamping ring, then oil or grease is fine to assist with installation. The next thing to consider is the condition of the shaft or the housing that the mechanical seal is being installed into. You want to make sure there's a sufficient chamfer with no sharp edges that you're dragging the rubber elastomer over. Also check that the shaft or housing is not worn or corroded on the mating surfaces. A worn shaft or housing can cause insufficient crush on the elastomer, causing a leakage path or slippage. We have data sheets for all our mechanical seals, both in our component seal catalogue and also our website. These provide dimensional information that you can refer to during installation. If the seal's axial length is set by a drive collar or the seal itself is driven by grub screws, a data sheet is recommended. This will allow you to set the working length correctly and avoid over or under compression, leading to excess wear or a premature seal failure. I recommend cleaning the seal faces with methylated spirits in a tissue or an alcohol wipe to remove any oil, grease or fingerprints that can potentially hold grit. Do not use a rag or a cloth, as this can cause damage to the face. If that's not available on site, avoid touching the seal faces. If you get any contaminants on the seal faces, that'll cause you major issues down the track. A few things to note. Different seal face materials can be soft, fragile or brittle and shouldn't be banged, pressed or dropped. Never hit a mechanical seal with a hammer. Take precautions to keep the seal in as clean environment as possible. Thanks for watching, that's all for this video. Hope you learned something. If you've got any further questions, please give us a call or check out our website on www.mechsealengineering.com.au. Cheers.